At International Steels Limited, we aspire to be a company that is always asking, what's next? At ISL, we create steels that impact lives across the globe. Our continuous pursuit of excellence, using world-renowned manufacturing technology paired with a dedicated workforce, makes us one of the most modern industrial complexes in Pakistan. Since its inception, ISL has been driven by a vision to promote industrialization in Pakistan by localizing an essential raw material for the country's industrial base. From an initial installed capacity of 250,000 metric tons, the company has expanded its capacity to 1 million metric tons per annum. Our strength lies in our people. At ISL, we ensure continuous training and development of human resources, reinforced by superior quality products and great service levels, while aspiring to become a model corporate citizen that cultivates teamwork and leadership capabilities to drive the steel industry with sustainability. ISL holds a strong nationwide supplying and servicing network that is served through regional offices in Pakistan. The company operates from its headquarters, manufacturing and service center facilities in Karachi, and regional offices in Lahore, Islamabad and Multan. Committed to expanding brand Pakistan through premium quality raw materials sourced from Tier 1 global suppliers. ISL's finished flat steel products are used as the material of choice across the globe.
ISL follows global standards to deliver the best possible experience to our valued partners in terms of quality and customer service. We have been quite successful in garnering acceptance of our product across the globe. We are the largest exporter of engineering products in Pakistan, and our export footprint covers over 30 countries across 6 continents.
ISL produces premium quality cold rolled steel on a state-of-the-art facility in a range of specifications, from drawing to structural, to meet customers' specific requirements. Hot rolled steel is treated through various processes to produce cold rolled steel, usable for higher value addition. ISL's cold rolled steel is highly valued by customers in the automobile, home appliances, pipe, drum, and various other industrial segments. ISL's hot-dip galvanized steel is produced on state-of-the-art, fully automated production lines. Cold rolled steel is coated with zinc using a continuous and controlled process. This process results in a material with the strength and formability of steel and with the corrosion protection provided by zinc. Applications include ducting, construction and roofing, piping, silos, door frames, storage, and various other uses. ISL pioneered the manufacturing of color-coated steel in Pakistan, which has various applications owing to its extreme weather and corrosion resistance, versatility of usage, and aesthetical appeal. This steel is available in any desired color and pattern. At the ISL Service Center, flat rolled steels of various grades and specifications are processed into different forms for a wide range of applications under one roof. Cut-to-length products transform full-length coils into sheets of customer-specified dimensions. Slitting involves cutting full-width coils to the desired strip width. The company profiles sheet metal for roofing, cladding, and enclosure panels. ISL Service Center produces a comprehensive range of structural channel sections and purlins for construction-related applications such as pre-engineered buildings and light-gauge steel structures. The steel produced in ISL's cutting-edge facility completely conforms to the global standards of steel manufacturing. ISL carries out various quality assurance tests to ensure that the material complies with the usage parameters and standards. Driven by the clean, lean and green approach, ISL strives to continuously adopt environment-friendly practices during its manufacturing processes while embracing sustainable technologies. ISL's effluent treatment plant and acid regeneration plant recycles the entire solvent-based waste generated during the manufacturing process, making it reusable again. The heat absorption technology generates chilled water for air conditioning. The in-house cogeneration power plant supplies surplus electricity to the grid. Our team of professionals is always in the constant quest for improvement with a passionate commitment to customers. Striving to be more than a steel manufacturer, we are committed to shaping a better and sustainable tomorrow.